Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have our special guest over here, and today I've specially come to do something weird challenge with my little brother to just irritate him. Yes, so today's challenge is all about going to be we're gonna have these many weird things without any reaction. To judge that, we have a special guest over here. Is Mr. Vishnu. Welcome to our
I will
channel.
feed him.
Let's begin the challenge. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
So you're gonna
No.
tell who has actually made any
Reaction.
and then at the end, even you guys gonna tell us who won the challenge actually. So yes, let's begin. Yes. So we have these many stuff. So what are you gonna have? The first one.
Let's play rock paper scissors.
Okay.
Who will win, they will take.
Okay.
First.
Done.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, you won.
Okay, I will go with the easy first.
Okay,
Let's go with the kiwi.
kiwi.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one, kiwi, guys.
Oh, I chose the wrong one. This is going to be end.
He doesn't know kiwi. That's why. Just kidding. Okay, cheers.
Sure, guys.
This was so good.
Actually, there is no reaction coming from this guy.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Now I'm gonna try with chili.
That's okay.
Okay, you're gonna have it full.
No, half.
Okay, we'll have it half. That's fine.
Half? Just a bite.
No, half.
No, you have to have it.
But
What?
but it's a cheating, guys. Look at it. It's
I'll
like
take this.
full and half. No, it's okay. It's okay. You are a special guest, no? That's why I want you to win. Okay, cheers.
Really? There is no feelings? Yeah.
It was for half, not for full.
It's okay. I love chili so.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो
Reaction comes from you.
Oh.
So I passed in, I believe. Mm.
Okay. I already had it actually. This thing.
Fuck! Now I'm feeling spicy. Okay. What?
Stop.
Take tomato.
Okay. As per the judge, we'll try the tomato. Feeling better? Okay, let's go for the next one. I believe we can try the lemon. This is gonna be a little difficult, challenging for me because I don't like sour. I can eat spicy a lot,
क्या बोला तूने
but sour is a bit difficult. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go, guys. Both of them are like nobody
Yeah,
wants to
nobody
lose.
has no
friends.
Are you sure, Ginger? Look at his eyes, guys. Hi, beta ji.
It's so spicy, man. Still
The
is.
chili was so horrible. And
Somebody got this.
for my garden. Went to India especially.
कौन है ये लोग कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Let's cheers with this. I think it's gonna be difficult as well. 1, 2, 3, go.
खत्म
See?
बाय बाय टाटा
I hate
गुड बाय गया
So, you watch.
Guys, we'll go for the tamarind.
Whole,
Okay,
whole.
whole. It's a cheating, guys. You're gonna have a little. See.
Huh? Huh?
Okay,
Eating
I
give me
don't
that
like
one,
that.
eh?
No, it's
समझ रहे हो?
that's fine. Let's
समझ रहे हो?
go for it.
There's no expression.
Jasha chala no.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
I feel like
He's also doing. He's also doing.
What?
I feel like my teeth is shivering.
aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera? We'll go for aloe vera. Okay, we'll just open that. I don't like the aloe vera at all.
Even I don't like.
My mom loves it.
How people love this thing.
Okay, we can just eat
Huh?
it like this.
Take, take.
Okay.
Take.
The George also has to eat, guys.
No.
What? No. Why no? Huh?
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
How is it?
Bitter.
Bitter?
Too bitter, I swear. Very sugar.
He did.
Yeah.
He did.
He had the expression.
Tamarind help us, you know.
Ah, that's true.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा
When you eat
Huh?
something sour, you don't feel the bitterness a lot.
Oh, really?
Try.
Let's go for the next one. I think we'll go for onion. See the difference? Okay, let's go. I actually love onions. I eat every day.
Onions are okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's just so strong smell that nobody can sit next to us then.
She made the expression.
No,
बाप को भेज तेरे बस की बात नहीं
I didn't actually. I'm just talking because I did not want it to show my teeth chewing it.
There's no reaction. Both of you.
Stone, paper, scissor, stone. I got to know what you're doing. Let's change our challenge. He has to do the opposite reactions. If I do like this and if he sees up, then he's gonna lose it. Okay?
Okay,
Let's start.
let's-
Hey, you need to either do down or up. He's
Okay,
cheating,
okay.
guys. Oh my god, he's
Again,
being
again,
very
again.
smart, huh? Okay. The first go only I lost. Okay.
Okay.
What you gonna choose?
Try now. You think,
Okay.
garlic?
This weird thing. I
Okay.
hate this.
And I love this, but which is only cooked, of course, obviously. So
How people eat
let's
this now?
going to have cheers.
We have to chew.
Yes, we need to swallow it.
We don't need to chew, right?
That is your choice. Then next day, then it will be difficult when you
Okay.
in the washroom.
अरे मुझे चक्कर आने लग गया अब
Okay, guys, let's go.
Our reaction changes. Ah.
Oh my god. Try. Tell him to try. It's so difficult.
Our George is going to try. No. One go for George. George, you have to try.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो
George is like full. George was telling us that it's so easy. Now what happened? Khatam. Tata. Bye bye.
बाय बाय
Slowly,
टाटा
slowly.
गुड
No
बाय
more judge, guys.
गया
Actually, it's try.
We are doing challenge and
No,
judge
I
is
think
getting that.
no. I think if he would have ate this everything, then he would have literally
Died.
puked, right? Then great, well done, guys. Well done, my little brother.
Obviously.
So our George is back. Welcome back. Please join our podcast.
रहा नहीं
Try
जाता
garlic also, ginger also. Try ginger.
I would have lost it if I tried.
I want to give a very close up, guys. Please show your eyes to our audience. Okay.
Okay, let's change
I
the
think
palette again.
let's go to kaffir lime.
That is
Okay. I think it's similar
Okay.
to
Oh, it's
the
okay.
lemon lime,
No, but
right?
it's little sour than that.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, she has. a
You
reaction.
also did, Babu.
No.
He also did. Oh, this is very different.
Quite tasty.
Yours
friend.
is very small. Mine is big.
Your reaction has gone.
But you know, it was.
Yeah, I can feel it.
You can feel every reaction now.
Yes, so being judge is very easy, guys. Being actual contestant is very difficult, right? What
Yes,
say Rohit?
yes.
Mr. Sharma. Okay. It's actually Rohit Sharma, you know, our next generation cricketer. What do you say?
I don't play cricket.
Okay, it's okay. You can play tennis.
Okay.
Okay.
I play badminton.
So,
This or that, anything.
Okay, so this is last.
Last
one.
but not the least,
That's
I
why
think
I
our
kept it
mouths.
last.
Yeah, this I cannot try.
I think our mouth will stink actually. We need to go
That's-
and brush a little.
That's why I kept it at the end.
Yes.
Why don't I agree with TV at the
Ah,
end?
you did. What reaction you gonna
There will
get?
be no reaction in
Pineapple.
this. There will be no
You
reaction.
will
Right?
enjoy
But
it.
some pineapples are very
Sharp.
sour.
This is
But I
Actually,
think
this
there's
is
a
good.
reaction change on your face.
No,
Yeah.
no, this is what I speak.
Oof.
But somewhere literally like the chili, I would say the garlic.
ginger.
Garlic was horrible.
Oh,
Garlic
ginger
was
was
like-
okay.
The kaffir lime was also really difficult. Onion was a little bit okay.
Garlic.
Aloe vera
oh
was
my
okay.
God.
Tamarind was difficult also because I think I literally removed everything. It's all here. Thank you so much. I think we'll give it to the audience.
I think I can give to the judge.
Once
That
he's
is-
already gone, I believe he would not do the another time. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you so much for coming. And thank you also, Mr. Judge, for going outside and puking again.
Comment as well that I won. I won.
I think he lost very clearly
I-
because
I
he wasn't
lost,
even in the
he lost.
game. But then do like, share, and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
See you. Bye bye.